This is an emergency action notification. All EAS participants will following activation of the EAS Handbook for National Crisis. The President of the United States will shortly deliver the message for this station. Please stand by. Please stand by.
This message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, and the International Space Agency. A global emergency is ongoing. A phenomenon occurred with the moon today. The national emergency stabilized from its orbit, and now instructions will follow in the next few minutes. It is advised that you spend your last few minutes with your friends and family as the moon goes closer to the Earth. It will begin to crack and turn into pieces, which will turn into asteroids and hit the Earth, causing a mass extinction level event. Not only that, but destruction will occur when the little pieces hit Earth. This will be the last transmission. We will play the national anthem. Please stand by for the national anthem. Now the emergency alert system will cease transmission.